Okay, so here I have a stock analysis for. So this script is going to generate and analyze a simulated stock price over 100 business days, and the goal here is just to measure key financial metrics like daily return, cumulative return, and annualized volatility, just to understand this specific hypothetical stock's performance and risk profile. So we're going to start out by importing the necessary libraries, which are Pandas and NumPy. And Pandas is used for data management and financial calculations, and then NumPy is going to generate this random stock price and the movements to simulate some real world fluctuations. Moving on, we're going to be generating a simulated stock price data, and this NP random seed 42 is going to ensure that the random data is reproducible. So the stock prices start at 100 and fluctuate based on a normal distribution, where the mean is 0, standard deviation 1. The cumulative product, MP CumProd, models how stock prices change over time, and only business days as the frequency equals B are included, and that's just aligning with the stock market trading days. Next, we're going to be creating a data frame to store this data. This is going to store generated stock prices in a structured time series format. The date is set as the index, and this is going to allow for easier time-based analysis. Next up, we're going to calculate these financial metrics. So for the daily return, it's going to measure percentage change in the stock price from one day to the next. And this matters because it's going to help investors understand short-term price movement and stock volatility. Next is the annualized volatility, which is a measurement of risk for investors. So this is just measuring how much a stock's price is going to fluctuate. And we have the formula here, and this matters because higher volatility means higher risk, and risk-averse investors are going to stray away from a higher volatility stock. Next is the cumulative return, which is just the total gain divided by the loss over the period, and this is going to measure just the overall stock performance over this 100-day period. And this just matters because it's going to assess how much this investment has grown or shrunk. Finally, just printing the final summary. This is going to print these key performance indicators to summarize the results, and it's going to display the last few days of data for reference. So now we're going to head into the terminal. I'm just going to run this. And for this hypothetical stock, the latest stock price, $89.76. The total cumulative return here was minus 10.68%. And the annualized volatility is 14.6%. So not too great of data here, but that is the stock analysis for this hypothetical stock.